guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's tutorial is about fitness. I do have a waist trainer on, and this is actually a small. This is a small. And guys, waist trainers come with many perks. Many perks. And this is my... What's wrong? Sorry guys, my head's completely gone. This is my treadmill that I do my workouts on, and you're going to see me use this and do some quick exercises, and I'm going to show you my morning routine and my night routine. And guys, I have never exercised without this. What this does, it gives you that physique that you want as a woman, and it gives you a small waist, and it just makes your hips come out a bit more. So guys, I'm just going to read out to you from my iPad because my head is a bit, you know, all over the place. The perks of a waist trainer. So one of the perks is an hourglass figure. It helps with weight loss. It doesn't matter what size you are. They'll come in large, medium and small. This is a small because, oh yeah, by the way guys, I can't breathe. That's the truth. I'm struggling to breathe, but I'm holding it together. So whatever size you are, yeah, there's a size for every physique, every size, so don't worry about that. So hourglass figure, it helps with weight loss, decrease appetite, because it's literally sucking you out, guys. Literally, it gives you a better posture. But some of the negatives are some people have breathing problems, digestive system issues, which I'm gonna have tonight, because guys, I'm being sucked right out. Yeah, I'm being sucked out. Yeah, and there's no joke about that. And guys, I've seen a dramatic change in my body. I used to work out with this years ago, because I've had this for like 4 years now, and guys, it does make a difference. It does make a difference. So I'm just going to show you what I do on my waist trainer, which I don't really know here. Just keep it. Come over here. So guys, this is my personal treadmill in my room. Come closer, because I'm not wearing in my room. Pause it. So guys, what you want to do when you're starting off on your treadmill, whether it's at the gym or at home, you want to just start off with a warm-up. And guys, if my treadmill is creaking, it's because I haven't put the oil in the side, so don't worry too much about that. So you're going to do a warm-up for about 5 minutes. And guys, this is why I love the waist trainer, because the waist trainer is really working on, what it's working on is working on the back flab, the back fat, the belly and the sides, which we're trying to get rid of. So you simply just walk for 5 minutes. And you can start to increase it gradually as you go along. And guys, what I love about having a treadmill in my room is I'm in the comfort of my own home. And as you know, it's quarantine, so all the gyms are basically closed. And what you can start to do, you can start to speed it up. So just to let you guys know, before this, I'm actually just coming from my daily walk. So this is basically my second exercise of the day, because I wake up, I do sit-ups, and I do some crunches, then I go for a walk, and then I come back on my treadmill. And guys, trust me when I say you're really going to see a difference in your physique and in your weight loss journey. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to go faster. Some people prefer to hold on, some people prefer to actually just walk. But it is better when you're not really holding on, because you get more of the feel of the walk. And then what you want to do is, as it gets faster, you're just going to start jogging slowly. And guys, as you can see, what's getting worked out. And you can do this for about 7 to 10 minutes. Some people can go for longer. It's up to you what you want to do. So right now, I have been on the treadmill for about 10 minutes. And that's just a quick, so come on Michelle, that's just a quick way to help you in your weight loss journey. And any questions that you do have, please don't hesitate to message me down below, and my previous video will be on the screen on this side, I think. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.